Words of Sri Aurobindo from the book The Mother, Part 2, Letters on the Mother, Chapter 6, Working of the Mother's Force, page 159, new topic. The Mother's Use of Pressure. Sri Aurobindo says, I was speaking of your case only. It was not my intention to say that the mother never uses pressure. But pressure also can be of various kinds. There is a pressure of the force when it is entering the mind or vital or body, a pressure to go faster, a pressure to build or form, a pressure to break, and many more. In your case, if there is any pressure, it is that of help or support or removal of an attack, but it does not seem to me that that can properly be called pressure. Next topic, the mother's working in preparatory consciousness. Sri Aurobindo says, the experiences you have are a good starting point for realization. They have to develop into the light of a deeper state in which there will be the descent of a higher consciousness into you. Your present consciousness in which you feel these things is only a preparatory one, in which the mother works in you through the cosmic power according to your state of consciousness and your karma. And in that working, both success and failure can come. One has to remain equal minded to both while trying for success. A surer guidance can come even in this preparatory consciousness if you are entirely turned towards her alone in such a way that you can feel her direct guidance and follow it without any influence or force intervening to act upon you. But that condition is not easy to get or to keep. It needs a great one pointedness and constant single minded dedication. When the higher consciousness will descend, then a closer union, a more intimate consciousness of the presence, and a more illumined intuition will become possible. Date 17th November 1934. Next topic, receiving the mother's force at a distance. As to what your friend asks, it is quite possible for him to receive where he is without coming here, if he has the adoration of the mother in his heart and an intense call. Date 25th August 1935. Question. You said regarding my friend X that he was receiving the force of the mother. I am a little puzzled because I cannot understand to which mother you are referring. Is it our mother or some other called the universal mother by the people? I am puzzled because he does not invoke the mother and still he gets the mother's force. For this, Sri Aurobindo says, in contact with the divine force, which is the force of the mother, that was what I wrote, I believe. Have you not put him by the photograph and his letter in connection with us? Has he not turned in this direction? Has he not met Y and been impressed by him, a third channel of contact? That is quite sufficient to help him to a contact if he has the faith and the yogic stress in him. 1936. Sri Aurobindo says, I don't know whether mother is sending the force in the accepted sense. I haven't asked her. In any case, anyone can receive the force who has faith and sincerity, whose psychic being has begun to wake, and who opens himself whether he knows or not that he is receiving. If X even imagines that he is receiving, that may open the way to a real reception. If he feels it, why question his feeling? He is certainly trying hard to change, and that is the first necessity. If one tries it, can always be done in more or less time. Date 28th June 1943. It is quite possible, says Sri Aurobindo. It is quite possible for you to do the sadhana at home and in the midst of your work, and many do so. What is necessary in the beginning is to remember the mother as much as possible, to concentrate on her in the heart for a time every day if possible, thinking of her as a divine mother, to aspire to feel her there within you. Offer her your works and pray that from within she may guide and sustain you. This is a preliminary stage which often takes long, but if one goes through it with sincerity and steadfastness, the mentality becomes little by little to change. A new consciousness opens in the sadhak, which begins to be aware more and more of the mother's presence within, of her working in the nature and in the life of some other spiritual experience, which opens the gate towards realization. Sri Aurobindo continues to say, remember the mother, and though physically far from her, try to feel her with you and act according to what your inner being tells you would be her will. Then you will be best able to feel her presence and mine and carry our atmosphere around you as a protection and a zone of quietude and light accompanying you everywhere. Date 12th December 1936. Receiving force from the mother's photographs. Question. When I sit in meditation before the mother's photographs or the drawing of her feet, I receive force. Is this only a subjective feeling? Sri Aurobindo says, no, it is not subjective merely. By your meditating near them, you have been able to enter through them into communion with the Mother, and something of her power and presence is there. Date 14th July 1934.